Have you ever wondered how a simple cup of tea or coffee can become a powerful tool for your health? Imagine transforming your daily drink into a health-boosting elixir. Before we dive into today's topic, let's reflect on a timeless teaching from Buddha. Every human being is the author of his own health or disease. Inspired by this wisdom, we will explore 7 incredible additions to your tea and coffee that can help you stay healthy and free from diseases. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn your everyday beverages into potent health allies. 1. Ginger root. Ginger root is a powerhouse for health benefits. It effectively fights nausea, aids digestion by stimulating digestive enzymes, and reduces muscle pain and soreness due to its anti-inflammatory properties. Adding a slice of fresh ginger root to your tea or coffee not only enhances the flavor with its warm, spicy taste, but also boosts your health in multiple ways. Ginger also has antioxidant properties which help protect your cells from damage. Moreover, it can improve circulation and support a healthy immune system. As the Buddha wisely said, "To keep the body in good health is a duty, otherwise we shall not be able to keep our mind strong and clear." Maintaining physical health is essential for mental clarity and overall well-being. 2. Cinnamon bark. Cinnamon bark is a spice loaded with health benefits. It is known for its ability to lower blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for those with diabetes or insulin resistance. Additionally, cinnamon has powerful anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce swelling and inflammation in the body. Cinnamon also contains antioxidants, which protect the body from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. Adding a stick of cinnamon bark to your tea or coffee not only adds a sweet, warming flavor, but also supports heart health by reducing cholesterol and improving circulation. According to Buddhist teachings, maintaining a balanced and healthy lifestyle is crucial for a peaceful mind. Including cinnamon in your daily routine can contribute to this balance, promoting both physical and mental well-being. 3. Cardamom pods. Cardamom pods are a popular spice with a wealth of health benefits. Known for their ability to aid digestion, cardamom can help relieve issues like bloating, gas, and indigestion. It also has detoxifying properties that help cleanse the body and eliminate waste. Cardamom is rich in antioxidants, which help protect cells from damage and reduce inflammation. It also contains antimicrobial properties, making it effective in fighting bad breath and promoting oral health. Adding a few cardamom pods to your tea or coffee infuses a unique aromatic flavor while boosting your overall health. In Buddhism, maintaining good health is seen as a pathway to a clear and focused mind. By incorporating cardamom into your daily beverages, you support both your physical health and mental clarity. 4. Cloves. Cloves are not just a flavorful spice, they offer significant health benefits as well. Known for their powerful antibacterial and antiviral properties, cloves can help boost your immune system and protect against infections. They are also effective in improving digestion by stimulating the secretion of digestive enzymes, which helps reduce bloating and gas. Cloves contain high levels of antioxidants, which combat oxidative stress and protect your cells from damage. Additionally, they have anti-inflammatory properties that can help alleviate pain and reduce inflammation in the body. Adding a couple of cloves to your tea or coffee provides a warm, slightly sweet and spicy flavor, while promoting overall health. Buddhist teachings emphasize the importance of maintaining a balanced and healthy lifestyle. Including cloves in your daily routine supports this balance, enhancing both your physical and mental well-being. 5. Turmeric powder. Turmeric powder is renowned for its extensive health benefits and has been used in traditional medicine for centuries. The primary active ingredient in turmeric is curcumin, which has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These properties make turmeric an effective remedy for reducing inflammation and combating oxidative stress, which can help prevent chronic diseases such as heart disease, arthritis, and even certain cancers. Adding a pinch of turmeric powder to your tea or coffee can significantly boost your immune system. It enhances the body's natural antioxidant defenses, helping to protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Moreover, turmeric supports brain health by increasing the levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, a protein linked to improved cognitive function and a lower risk of brain diseases. Turmeric also aids in digestion by stimulating bile production, which helps break down fats in the digestive system. This can alleviate symptoms of indigestion, bloating, and gas. Furthermore, its anti-inflammatory properties can soothe the digestive tract, making it beneficial for individuals with conditions like irritable bowel syndrome. Incorporating turmeric into your daily routine can also improve your skin health. Its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties can help treat acne, reduce scarring, and give your skin a natural glow. Additionally, turmeric has been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels, making it a valuable addition for those managing diabetes or insulin resistance. As the Buddha taught, maintaining a healthy body is essential for achieving mental clarity and spiritual well-being. By adding turmeric powder to your tea or coffee, you not only enjoy its warm, earthy flavor, but also harness its numerous health benefits, supporting your journey towards a balanced and healthy life. 6. Holy basil leaves. Tulsi. Holy basil, also known as Tulsi, is revered in many cultures for its extensive medicinal properties and spiritual significance. This herb is considered a sacred plant in Hinduism and is often referred to as the Queen of Herbs. Adding Tulsi leaves to your tea or coffee can provide numerous health benefits that support both the body and mind. Tulsi is renowned for its adaptogenic properties, which help the body adapt to stress and promote mental balance. Regular consumption of Tulsi can help reduce anxiety and depression by stabilizing cortisol levels, the hormone responsible for stress. This makes it an excellent addition for those looking to maintain a calm and centered mind amidst the challenges of daily life. Furthermore, its calming effects can enhance your meditation practice, helping you achieve a deeper state of mindfulness and tranquility. The anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of Tulsi also play a crucial role in enhancing overall health. It helps combat oxidative stress, which can prevent chronic diseases and promote longevity. The antioxidants in Tulsi protect the body from damage caused by free radicals, thus reducing the risk of cancer and other serious health conditions. Tulsi has been found to improve cardiovascular health by reducing cholesterol levels and supporting healthy blood pressure. This makes it an excellent natural remedy for maintaining heart health and preventing cardiovascular diseases. Tulsi is also beneficial for respiratory health. It has been traditionally used to treat respiratory conditions such as asthma, bronchitis, and colds. Its antimicrobial properties help fight infections, while its ability to clear congestion and soothe the respiratory tract can provide relief from coughs and colds. Tulsi can also help in alleviating symptoms of chronic respiratory disorders, making breathing easier and improving overall lung function. Additionally, Tulsi supports the immune system, making it more resilient to infections and diseases. It enhances the body's natural defense mechanisms, helping to fight off pathogens and maintain overall health. Regular consumption of tulsi can reduce the frequency and severity of infections, keeping you healthier in the long run. It also aids in detoxification by supporting liver function and promoting the elimination of toxins from the body. This helps maintain overall vitality and well-being, ensuring that your body remains in optimal condition. Furthermore, tulsi is known to regulate blood sugar levels, making it particularly beneficial for those with diabetes or at risk of developing the condition. It enhances insulin sensitivity and reduces fasting blood sugar levels, contributing to better glucose control. This can prevent the onset of diabetes-related complications and improve the quality of life for individuals with the condition. In addition to its physical health benefits, tulsi has a positive impact on mental clarity and cognitive function. It has been shown to improve memory and focus, which can be particularly useful for students and professionals who need to stay sharp and alert. Tulsi's ability to enhance cognitive function is attributed to its neuroprotective properties, which help in maintaining brain health and preventing neurodegenerative diseases. Tulsi also possesses anti-aging properties thanks to its high antioxidant content. It helps in maintaining youthful skin by reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. The herb's ability to promote detoxification also contributes to clearer, healthier skin, free from acne and other skin conditions. Regular consumption of tulsi can thus lead to a radiant and youthful appearance. In Buddhist teachings, maintaining a balanced and healthy lifestyle is essential for achieving mental clarity and spiritual growth. Tulsi is often used in meditation practices for its calming effects, helping individuals to achieve a deeper state of mindfulness and tranquility. Its holistic benefits align with the principles of Buddhism, which emphasize the interconnectedness of mind, body, and spirit. By incorporating tulsi leaves into your tea or coffee, you not only enjoy a refreshing and aromatic flavor, but also harness its powerful health benefits. This simple addition to your daily routine can support your journey towards holistic well-being and inner peace. Tulsi offers a natural, effective way to enhance your physical health, mental clarity, and spiritual growth, embodying the essence of a balanced and healthy lifestyle. 7. Cacao nibs. Cacao nibs, often referred to as nature's chocolate chips, are small pieces of crushed cacao beans that provide a wealth of health benefits. These nibs are packed with essential nutrients and powerful antioxidants, making them a fantastic addition to your tea or coffee. Cacao nibs are rich in antioxidants, specifically flavonoids, which help to neutralize free radicals in the body. This reduces oxidative stress and lowers the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. The high antioxidant content also supports healthy aging by protecting cells from damage. One of the standout benefits of cacao nibs is their ability to boost mood and mental well-being. They contain compounds like theobromine and phenylethylamine, which stimulate the production of serotonin and endorphins, chemicals in the brain that promote feelings of happiness and well-being. Adding cacao nibs to your morning coffee or tea can provide a natural mood lift and help you start your day on a positive note. Cacao nibs also support cardiovascular health. They have been shown to improve blood flow, lower blood pressure, and reduce bad cholesterol levels. The flavonoids in cacao enhance the flexibility of blood vessels, improving circulation and reducing the risk of heart disease. Including cacao nibs in your diet can thus contribute to a healthier heart and better overall cardiovascular function. These nibs are a great source of magnesium, a mineral crucial for numerous bodily functions, including muscle and nerve function, blood sugar control, and bone health. Many people do not get enough magnesium in their diet, so adding cacao nibs to your tea or coffee can help you meet your daily requirements. Magnesium also plays a role in energy production and muscle relaxation, making cacao nibs a good choice for those who need an energy boost or relief from muscle tension. Additionally, cacao nibs are high in iron, which is essential for oxygen transport in the blood. Iron deficiency can lead to fatigue and decreased immune function, so consuming cacao nibs can help maintain healthy iron levels and keep your energy levels up. This is particularly beneficial for vegetarians and vegans who may have a harder time getting enough iron from their diet. The fiber content in cacao nibs aids digestion and promotes gut health. Fiber helps to regulate bowel movements, prevent constipation, and maintain a healthy digestive tract. By supporting gut health, cacao nibs also contribute to overall well-being and a stronger immune system. Cacao nibs also have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation throughout the body. Chronic inflammation is linked to many health issues, including arthritis, diabetes, and heart disease. Including anti-inflammatory foods like cacao nibs in your diet can help manage and prevent these conditions. Furthermore, cacao nibs contain calcium, which is essential for strong bones and teeth. Calcium also supports muscle function and nerve signaling. By incorporating cacao nibs into your tea or coffee, you can help ensure you are getting enough of this vital nutrient. Incorporating cacao nibs into your daily routine aligns with Buddhist teachings that emphasize the importance of maintaining balance and harmony in all aspects of life, including diet and health. The holistic benefits of cacao nibs support both physical and mental well-being, promoting a state of balance and tranquility. By adding cacao nibs to your tea or coffee, you not only enhance the flavor with a rich, chocolatey taste, but also boost your health in multiple ways. This small, delicious addition to your daily routine can help you achieve better physical health, mental clarity, and overall well-being, supporting your journey towards a balanced and mindful life. In Buddhist philosophy, the mindful consumption of nourishing foods is seen as a pathway to both physical health and spiritual well-being. Therefore, by incorporating cacao nibs into your daily beverages, you are embracing a holistic approach to health that harmonizes with these ancient teachings. Incorporating these 7 ingredients into your daily tea or coffee routine can have a profound impact on your health. Remember, Buddhist teachings emphasize the importance of a balanced and mindful approach to life, including what we consume. By making these small changes, you can take a big step towards better health and well-being. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and wisdom from Buddhism. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay healthy and mindful.